Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy grilled shrimp. This grilled shrimp recipe is super easy to make and it packs a lot of flavor. You are going to love it. To start, you'll need 1 pound of large jumbo shrimp with the tails on. Pour on 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. The paprika adds both flavor and a lot of color to this recipe, and it looks really good to have a nice bright pink or red shrimp when it comes to grilling. Then you'll add in a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, dried basil, and dried oregano. It already smells so good, and we only have 3 ingredients to go. Next, you'll need half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to bring some heat. We're gonna gently toss this all together. Now, there's no need to marinate because these are ready to take outside to the grill. If your shrimp are on the smaller side and you're worried that they might fall through the grill grates, you'll wanna soak some wooden skewers in water for at least 10 minutes and then thread your shrimp onto those. But ours are pretty huge, so we're just gonna take them out to the grill. You'll want to preheat your outdoor grill to high heat, which is about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the shrimp directly down onto the grill grates. And you wanna make sure those grill grates are lightly oiled. Then we're gonna close the lid and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll flip the shrimp and let them finish cooking for another about 2 minutes. It's easy to tell when shrimp are done because they're no longer translucent. You are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.